Bill Shooter, and I'm up. Razor's going hot. Hey Ray, do you want me to take that for you? Sure. Yeah. 200. That's what he's Are you ready? Stand by. Yeah, these somebody wants in the showcase. This is Art up here, right? Art?
That's Phil.
Is that what that is? I can't remember.
I think that's Phil, yeah.
And then Mike?
And
Yeah.
Mike. Oh,
And then you.
Then me. Okay.
Sorry about that.
If you just want to cut ahead of me.
Yeah, yeah.